Good morning. Today, we are going to concentrate on factorization by grouping or by regrouping. So, in this case, we are given this expression 5x cubed minus 25x squared plus 3x minus 15, which we need to factorize. But if we have a closer look at all the terms here, they don't have a common factor. All these four terms, they don't have a common factor. So, to simplify this, we have to group the terms of the polynomials into pairs that share a highest common factor. So in this case, we are going to first take this one, which is 5x cubed minus 25x squared and plus 3x minus 15. Then we have to factorize each pair using factorization by taking out highest common factor. So if we check here, so the binomial factor must be the same, though there are some cases where they cannot be the same even after regrouping. So if we take this first part, the highest common factor of 5 and 25 is 5. Then we have x cubed and x squared. Since we both have x's, but for highest common factor, we take with the lowest power. So in this case, it's 2. So our highest common factor here is 5x squared. So when we factor out 5x squared, in brackets, we are going to have 5x cubed divided by 5x squared minus 25x squared over 5x squared. Then we go to the second part here, which is plus 3x minus 15. Here the common factor of 3 and 15, the highest common factor of 3 and 15 is 3. It's 3. Then we open the bracket, 3x divided by 3, which is the highest common factor, which we factored out, minus 15 divided by 3. Then we simplify the bracket, we end up having 5x squared. Here 5 and 5 will cancel out, then x cubed divided by x squared, we get an x. Then the second one, x squared will cancel out. 25 divided by 5, we get a 5. We are done with the first bracket. Then plus 3. Then simplifying the bracket, 3x divided by 3, the 3 and the 3 will cancel out, we are left with x. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we now have this expression. But as we can see now on this expression, we see there's a common factor, and the common factor is the binomial x minus 5 here, x minus 5 here. So we repeat factorization by taking out the highest common factor, but in this case the common factor is a binomial. So we factor out the x minus 5, then the first term is now 5x squared with x minus 5 in bracket divided by the highest common factor, which we factored out, which is x minus 5, plus 3x minus 5 divided by the highest common factor, which we factored out, x minus 5. So if we check, we end up having x minus 5, which is the first bracket. Then we simplify the second bracket. This x minus 5 and this x minus 5 will cancel out. Then we'll be left with 5x squared. Then on the second term, this x minus 5 and this x minus 5 will cancel out, left with positive 3. Therefore, our final answer is going to be x minus 5 multiplied by 5x squared plus 3. Thank you.